Hello friends, in this new video we are going to create an API for the logout. So let's start with it. So this is the logout API. I'm going to create this app code, coders, prof plus, controller, index, paste. Let's do all the settings. Here we have logout. It doesn't require any action, I guess. So you can also add here nothing. So let's execute this command. Remove the helper class and custom helper. Okay, and the API is ready. Remove this last customer ID session. We are going. This is customer session. Log out. Last customer ID logged out successfully. Else customer is already logged out. And if it is some issue with the session, it will give you the caption. You don't get message. This is the simple API that we are going to use it. Save this and run this command. So the commands are running. Let's review the code. So here we are use the Magento app action, customer session, and customer JSON factory. So here this customer session, there is a method that called get ID where we can get the ID. This customer session logout, there is an event for this, and we are passing the last customer session ID. This is the result factory. We have already defined this, and rest there is just a JSON returning the data and all, nothing else. So now it's doing the compilation. I don't know how much time it will take. I just 2 minutes more. So commands are already run. Now see the API. So there is which API? Logout. So I will put just logout. And this is get, then send. Customer is already logged out. Okay, so let's log in and check whether it is working or not. First log in, then log out, log out successfully. So this is how we can make a API for logout. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please do like and comment if you really like my videos and that I'm going to teach, because such kind of videos I don't think so any channel you can get it. So please do like and comment so that I will be motivated and put more efforts on that and came for the new videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.